My name is Michael Calvert.
My name is Tiffany Pagano.
I'm Sammy Sankari.
Sarah Lakin.
Michelle Smith.
I'm the Executive Director of the Downey Chamber of Commerce.
I'm a buyer for Ross Stores.
I have a couple small businesses in the area.
And I work at Fountain Valley Hospital.
I'm a designer, so I work for myself.
I just opened a small checking account, someplace where I can kind of place my mad money.
Actually, a lot of my colleagues and friends have been joining credit unions, and I've been frustrated with the big bank system anyway, so I said I'll look into it. And another friend referred me to this one. So I said, okay, sounds great, sign me up.
It was very positive. I met with Walter at the Gateway branch. Very engaging, and actually I'd met him at one of our fundraiser events as well, and was very impressed with his personality.
Yeah, so I came down to the bank and on one afternoon, and it was a very simple process, very clean and easy. I didn't really have to go through hoops.
It was probably one of the fastest transactions ever.
The process of closing my old account was a little trickier. I had to go through a few hoops there. I don't think they wanted to lose me, but I was done with the big bank system.
So, why Financial Partners? Why do I love coming to this place?
No matter what's going on at the branch, you get greeted, would you like some water?
Everyone who I've dealt with has been super helpful and friendly.
Because of their professional and personal combination that is just a perfect mix that makes me feel confident in their work.
It's personable. You feel like they actually know who you are.
Even the management, I've had an opportunity to meet Lori and stuff, and they've been amazing. Everybody has. Particularly Alex and Ryan.
I feel much more at home than I would in said big bank.
I don't have huge, amounts of money in the bank, but yet I'm treated like I'm one of the largest customers there.
And I can't say the same for my, Wells Fargo account that I'm looking to close.
A little trepidation walking up to technically a machine, but you get this live person, and you forget that you're talking to a screen.
Even though you have that lack of personalization using the machine, those faces in the machine are still smiling, but it's coupled with the people who are working here.
Rosie that I've worked with, she comes in and she calls me by name, and I'm thinking, she deals with people throughout the state. And one of the things she noticed is that I always wear a blue shirt. So I thought, that's pretty awesome that she takes the time to notice something like that.
At first it was weird not having that face-to-face with a teller, but they more than make up for it with just the reception you receive.
When I push the button, I kind of hope I kind of get her. But, happy with anybody who shows up. I think they're all great. But, she's kind of special to me, so.
So I was looking to buy a house, and the first thing that I had to do was really figure out how much house I can afford. And I spoke to my father. He's been a part of Financial Partner Credit Union since 1989, so he said, you must go there. We went. They really had the best rates that I could find, and the nicest people. I worked with Krista, and it was around Thanksgiving, and my dream was to own a place by Christmas. My company has off between Christmas and New Year, so I figured the perfect time to really settle in. I spoke to her probably almost every day through this whole process, and she kind of helped me figure out what amount of a loan I would be comfortable with the monthly payments, and just any question I had, whether it had to do with finances or even location. She was helping me out a lot. So we pushed Krista, we made a very short closing time, and she was actually able to push up my closing date even faster than we even wanted it. I couldn't have asked for anything better. It really felt like it was a friend there with me, walking me through the process. Oh, awesome! Family, friends.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So nice to meet you.
I know. I looked forward to speaking with her and getting her guidance and help. Without her, I wouldn't have made it. So when I think of financial partners, I really think of the word friendly.
Inclusive.
If I had one word to choose, it would be effortless.
Welcoming.
I mean, I hope this doesn't sound cheesy. I would say family.
It's just nice to feel that kind of friendship.
The people. They make it so friendly, and it's I don't feel hesitant to call.
They know your name, they know who you are.
I don't feel like I'm dealing with a large company. I feel like it's like Main Street USA.
I couldn't ask for anything more.
I know it's going to be okay.
And who knew that a bank could actually be, I don't know, something that you care about?